Welcome to the Elevating Leaders series, where we go beyond the headlines and straight to the people who are redefining insurtech and business transformation. We've caught up with the visionaries and the pioneers that are currently driving the industry forward, bringing you exclusive insights, strategies, and stories you won't hear anywhere else. If you're ready to go deeper, this is your front row seat to the future of insurance. I'm Miguel Edwards, and this is 5 Minutes. Thank you so much for joining us here on another episode of 5 Minutes. I appreciate you making your time out of your busy ITC schedule to be here.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Awesome. So Keith, I have a typical question that I ask at the start of every one of these sessions, because I have now met two people who decided to start a career in insurance early on, like before college. But that's not the case for most of us, I believe. What was your entry point into this marvelous industry?
Well, interestingly enough, it wasn't my chosen profession when I went through college.
Sure.
But I have a twin brother, and he started an insurance career right after college.
Okay. And
saw that he was having some success, and thought, if he can do it, I can do it, and that's kind of where it started.
Wow. So not necessarily playing in college, but early on in the career, you
relatively early, and it's just been a fun journey ever since.
All right, I'm going to put that as a 2.5 in terms of my 2.5 people that I have met that have started. No, awesome, man. So talk to me a little bit about where you are in your career now and what you do now.
Yeah, so I work for TrueStage, and I work in our life distribution area. Mm-hmm. So this is where we look for distribution partners to distribute our life insurance products to consumers.
Okay.
So I'm out finding our next partners.
Got it. Makes good sense on the distribution side. So as you're thinking about finding your next distribution partners, what is your value proposition as a carrier to those distribution partners? And I'm thinking I'm running the gamut from ease of doing business to technology, all those dynamics. What's the selling point for TrueStage?
Yeah, and I think it's really just two areas in particular that really stand out. So when we work with distributors, we really look to find folks that are laser focused on broad middle market consumers, household income, $150,000 or less.
Okay.
Trying to scale that middle market customer,
mm-hmm.
it's tough for a lot of folks. And so we look for folks that have an appetite for that particular audience. And one of the things that we really do to differentiate ourselves is all of our products are 100% instant decision.
Okay.
So we're laser focused on making it simple for consumers to go through the purchase journey. Consumer can enroll online in about 7 to 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
That's start to finish. So all of our products have anywhere from 2 to 8 underwriting questions, mm-hmm. and a real-time prescription database pull, all e-signature and voice signature enabled. Mm-hmm. So it really makes it for a slick consumer engagement.
Sure.
When a consumer engages with our experience. The other thing that we've done is we've also built some really good tech integration for our partners. So when we look at distribution partners, when we started doing this, and we've only been in this particular vertical for about 5 years.
Oh, wow.
We've been selling life insurance for about 90 years, mm-hmm. but in this particular way, just for about 5. And so we've built really good tech integrations. So we have an API-enabled e-app process that allows all of our kind of front-end quoting
mm-hmm.
To reside on a partner's digital property.
Okay.
And then we've also built kind of next generation where the whole purchase journey can reside natively on a partner's digital property.
Got it.
So they never have a speed bump to go to our e-app or ever leave a partner's website.
I love that. So you're using distribution to broker this relationship with a prospective client. That partner, that distribution partner, gets to keep the face of that interaction on their kind of digital assets or whatever it is. You're connecting into their environment, leveraging APIs, mm-hmm. such that the customer never senses that they're leaving the broker. Yet
correct.
They're still leveraging all of your advanced technology for the decisioning.
That is correct.
Fantastic. It's essentially white labeled all that technology.
Yeah. So it's been iterative, and we're just in market with our first partner, and probably by mid next year we'll be looking to expand partnerships in this space with the full kind of digital journey built.
Thank you for joining this episode of 5 Minutes. If you've enjoyed our discussion, we'd love for you to share it with anyone else you think might find it interesting. Also, please subscribe on whatever podcast platform you're listening on and hit that bell to stay on top of the game with our practical 5-minute episodes. We look forward to seeing you again next week.